Hi, this is Christina from There's Just One Mommy, and today my daughter and I are going to show you how to make sun prints, which is a super easy STEAM activity that is perfect for summer. The first thing you need is a black piece of construction paper, and then you need some random, found around your house, relatively flat items. You can use toys, you can use coins, roll of tape. And what you're going to do is you're going to find a place out in the sun to put your black paper where it will not be disturbed for several hours. And then you are going to place your flat items on the paper in any position you want. You can use the items to make a picture or a pattern. Once you have all the items that you want placed on your paper, and you want to make sure you use sort of heavy items so that your paper doesn't blow away. Once you have your items placed on your paper, you're going to leave this out in the sun for 2 or 3 hours. And so we'll come back in 2 or 3 hours to see what our art looks like. Okay, so it's been about 3 hours, and now we're going to take the objects off the black paper and see what our art looks like.